Let's work out the problem where we see x in the series. And in this question, we ask to find this x so that the series we're giving will converge. So depend on that input, apparently the series either going to diverge or converge. So blows up or has a finite number as a sum. Well, I can see that I can rewrite the series as x plus 4 over 5 to the n. That is a geometric series from 0 to infinity. Geometric series has shape a r to the n, right? So this is exactly my r over here. That means r is x plus 4 over 5. However, we know that geometric series converges for r, which is a common factor or common ratio, by absolute value to be less than 1. And we even know that then it converges to a finite sum, which has a formula a, that's the first term, 1 minus r. We're not going to need this formula for this particular example because here we just need to say for which x this geometric series converges. Well, since r is x plus 4 over 5, we need to require this by absolute value to be less than 1 in order for the original series to converge. So I need to solve next inequality. X plus 4 over 5 should be between minus 1 and 1. This is how you work with absolute values. Then let's multiply by 5. It's going to be x plus 4 is between minus 5 and 5. Remember, if you're multiplying by a negative number, you should change signs of inequalities. But if you're multiplying by a positive number, then you keep them. Then I will subtract 4 minus 4. So it's going to be x plus 4 minus 4, that's 0. The right hand side is 5 minus 4. Left hand side is minus 5 minus 4. So x is going to be between minus 9 and 1. That means for this x, a series, the original series was x plus 4 to the n over 5 to the n, x plus 4 to the n over 5 to the n. This series from 0 to infinity converges for inputs x to be between minus 9 and 1 based on the information we know about geometric series. And that's kind of all. So you can check basically if you take 0, for example, which belongs from minus 9 to 1, and plug here, it will be 4 over 5 to the n. 4 over 5 is less than 1, the series converges. Or let's try minus 8. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Minus 4 over 5 by absolute value is still less than 1. So converges. And that's all you need to know. If they ask you to converges to what, then you also know what to do. You will find s, which is a over 1 minus r. We will be working more with series that involve unknown variable, which is x, in the next chapters. So get used to this, and as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Just don't freak out when you see it. Thank you for watching.